How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So if you want to know that if someone is online or not, then first open up your Snapchat application, and here you can simply go for your chat, which is on the bottom left. And from here, for example, if you simply send a chat to a particular person, and if the other person opens the snap or the chat within a minute or within some few seconds, then that means that person is online on Snapchat. And instead of that, if you want to know more, then you can simply tap on the person's profile, which is here on the left side, and then scroll down, and here you will have Snap Map, right? So under Snap Map you will have the last location. So here you can see that the person was online 5 minutes ago. So that's it. That's how you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.